of rice in your bowl. Motai, which means essence or dignity.
Hello everybody, welcome to Ken's Mottainai world. Today we are exploring a very special Japanese word, Mottainai. Because my English is slow, I use AI Ken. Here we go.
Mottainai is not just a word, it's a way of thinking, a philosophy that teaches us to respect and value what we have. It's about reducing waste, reusing resources, and appreciating the life around us. Let's dive in and discover the meaning of Mottainai together. The word Mottainai is made up of two parts. Mottai, which means essence or dignity, and nai, meaning not or missing. So Mottainai can be translated as what a waste, or it's a shame to waste. But Mottainai is not just about things, it's about respect. Respect for resources, respect for time, and respect for the efforts behind everything we use. For example, in Japan, people often say Mottainai when rice is wasted. Why? Because they know how much hard work goes into growing that rice, planting, watering, and harvesting. Wasting it is like disrespecting all that effort. Mottainai can be seen in many parts of Japanese life. Let me show you some examples. First, let's talk about food. In Japan, it's common to eat every single grain of rice in your bowl. Leaving food behind is seen as mottainai, a waste of the farmer's hard work. Second, let's talk about old clothes. Many Japanese families repurpose old kimonos into new items like bags or cushions instead of throwing them away. This is a beautiful example of reducing waste and finding new life for old things. This is kintsugi, the art of repairing broken pottery with gold. Instead of throwing the bowl away, the Japanese make it even more beautiful. This shows the true spirit of Mottainai. Nothing should be wasted if it can still be used. Mottainai is not just an old tradition. It's a concept that can help the whole world today. Think about the environment. When we throw away plastic or waste electricity, we're harming nature. But if we adopt Mottainai, we can reduce waste, save resources, and protect our planet. This is why many environmental groups around the world have started using the word Mottainai. It's simple, powerful, and universal. So, what can we learn from Mottainai? We can learn to be more grateful for what we have. We can learn to reduce waste, reuse what we can, and recycle what we can't use anymore. And most importantly, we can share this idea with others.
Thank you, Ken. Let's spread the message of Mottainai together. Start small. Maybe finish all your food on your plate. Repair something old. Think twice before throwing something away. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe Ken's Mottainai World for more stories about Japan, sustainability, and life. See you in the next video. Bye bye. さよなら.